Here is another exciting news coming straight from Abia State that is sure going to get you so glued to this video. The Abia State government has just inked a major deal with none other than the Radisson Blu. Yes, we heard that some months ago, but this time around it is legit, pure legit. They are teaming up to completely revamp the famous Mbah Hotel and International Conference Center in Aba. This isn't just any renovation, no, it's set to transform the whole hospitality and tourism scene in Abia State. So what's the big plan? The upgraded Mbah Hotel will feature a huge 2,500 seat main hall perfect for hosting big events, along with several smaller meeting rooms and a massive exhibition space. Imagine the possibilities, from major conferences and trade shows to concerts and cultural events in a hotel. Aba is about to become one of the coolest commercial hubs around. You just don't know. If I were you, I'll keep sticking around to the Ebony People TV channel for more of these updates. Partnering with Radisson Blu means we are talking world-class quality here, because if you're very familiar with Radisson Blu, you know they don't bring any kind of project to the table. With their global expertise in the hotel business, this project will bring top-notch service and facilities right to our doorstep. It's a move that's expected to attract loads of investors, boost the local economy, and of course, give both visitors and locals an experience that is nothing short of amazing. It's obvious that this particular project is for the high and the mighty, and for those that matter in the society. It's just so obvious, because with the way this whole project is going, it's going to be the talk of the town. Now, let's talk about the driving force behind all of this development. Governor Alex Otti, the man of the moment. Under his transformational leadership, Abia State is on the fast track to progress. People are already buzzing with excitement though, saying things like, Alex Otti don dey pass Peter Mbah and Omo, this race is just too tight head to head. Who do you think is really doing well without being sentimental? Is it Alex Otti or Peter Mbah? Because the talks are already getting so big. Abia State versus Enugu State. Still, Enugu State seems formidable in their attack, but Alex Otti is just God sent to Abia. In simple terms, Governor Otti is making big moves, and his vision is putting Abia on the map as a prime destination for business and leisure. This project is just one of many under the new administration. The goal is clear: to turn Aba into a vibrant, world-class center that not only attracts international attention, but also creates more jobs and opportunities for the people of Abia State. With the rehabilitation of the Mbah Hotel, the state government is showing that change is coming, and it's coming in a big way and very fast. So what does this mean to you personally seeing this video? Whether you're a business owner, an investor, or just someone who loves to see community thrive, this development is a game changer, because Abia State Governor is calling on all investors to come into the state and invest. Alright, that's it for today. Keep tuning in to Ebony People TV for more updates and behind the scenes look at the incredible projects and other developments across our region. That's it for now. Thanks for hanging out with me, and stay tuned, and we'll see you in our next video.